Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And what we're doing today, we are touring model homes in Canton, Georgia. Okay, so this first bathroom is it's a guest bathroom. What do they call the powder room is what they call it, and that flows right into the formal living room, which is really designed really nicely. And this just gives me an idea of what I really want to do for my own home. Okay, so they got like a open floor plan. Kitchen is done beautifully. Got nice pantry space and all that. And they also have a little breakfast nook area. Okay. Now I feel like if you have this big ass table, you don't really need a formal living room, but that is nice too. Now outside those doors is a deck. And what you're looking at now with these lovely couches is the family room, high ceilings. They got the fireplace there as well. Now this is a split level home. So what that means is it's not a traditional up the stairs, down the stairs. There's different levels and splits of stairs, which is, a little weird, but it's nice. Now this is the master suite. So you just saw the closet there. There's a full on suite. So you got your garden soaking tub, you stand and shower, dual vanity, water closet. So you can actually close the door and use the toilet, and another walk-in closet that's for the women because it's bigger. Okay. And then after that, there is a laundry room on that same floor, which is really convenient because who wants to be tugging laundry up and down stairs? Now, through this first split right here, this is a second split. So they have 3 bedrooms on this floor. So this first room is designed to look like a little girl's room. So the color is nice. It's like a wash of pink, gray. It's really pretty. It's dope. And next to that room is what's designed as a little boy's room or a teenage boy. So I like the colors, red, black, and I guess that's like a eggshell color. And then they have, this looks like it's designed for like an older teenager or a girl in her early 20s with a walk-in closet. Now they told us that you don't have to have such a big walk-in closet, that could be cut off to have a bathroom in there. So that's dope, especially for a teenage girl. So this is the overview of the downstairs. So we're gonna go down a couple of splits level there, and we're gonna go right into the guest suite. So this is nice if you have family that come from out of town and you just want to entertain. This will be their room. They will never leave. I will never have a guest suite looking this nice. They will never leave your house. Okay, they're gonna have to pay rent if they want to try and stay up in here. Okay. But this does have a bathroom in there, so they don't have to use yours. And then below that room is the basement. Now, the basement is so nice. I love how they set it up. It's for entertaining, hands down. So they have a full bathroom here. So you don't have to design it like this. This is a dream. If you have money like this to have a whole full entertainment with a bar, a projector to watch movies, all these effing leather reclining chairs, then knock yourself out. But the normal people wouldn't have it. Normal people probably wouldn't even have a finished basement like this. But again, this is nice. It gives you a great idea of what you want to do with your home. That's why touring model homes is a great idea. Now, the person who gives you the tour, they may think you're gonna buy the house, but that's okay. Let them think that. Now, this is the outside backyard, and above that is the deck that you saw. So they got some rocking chairs, and they have a fire pit. Now, that's dope. Okay. Well, thank you so much for watching this our dream home tour, and check out some model homes in your area or not even in your area. Okay. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.